Hello students, I welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we shall discuss some of the important concepts of chapter electricity of class 10. So in day-to-day life, where do you see the usage of electricity? In homes, schools, hospitals, industries, factories, everywhere we see the usage of electricity. It plays a very important role in everyone's life. See the fans, washing machines, air coolers, AC, mixers, grinders, they all work by making use of electric current. So it plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. We are so much dependent on the electric current. Without that, even we could not imagine our life. So we are dependent so much on the electric current. For example, you might have all seen the torch. You all have used the torches in your day-to-day life. So you have to put the cell or the battery inside the torch to glow the bulb. You might have observed in the cell or the battery, they would have mentioned the positive and negative sign. What does it indicate? It indicates positive and negative terminal of the cell. So you have to place it in the proper order so that the bulb glows when you switch on the torch. So when you say that the bulb glows, there must be flow of electric charge. So when you switch on the torch, the electric charges flows and makes the bulb to glow. So when you switch off, there will be no flow of electric charges, therefore the bulb will not glow. Then what is the use of switch? Why the switch is given in the torch? It makes the conducting link between the cell and the bulb. So if there is no conducting link, the torch will not glow. The electric charges will not flow, hence the bulb will not glow. So the switch plays a very important role in the glowing of the bulb. Next is about the electric circuit. What do you mean by electric circuit? It is continuous and closed path of an electric current. Suppose if the circuit breaks, if there is any break in the circuit, the electric current will not flow. So it must be closed and continuous. Then only the electric current flows through that particular circuit. Now we shall see a schematic diagram or the simple diagram of an electric circuit. This is just a simple diagram. It consists of bulb, ammeter, key and a cell. So here you must know that the current will always flow from positive terminal to negative terminal in an electric circuit. So when there is flow of electric current, it is nothing but there will be flow of electric charge in the circuit and makes the bulb to glow. If there is no flow of electric current, then the bulb will not glow. So this is just a schematic diagram of electric circuit. So this question may be asked for 2 marks. They may ask you to write the schematic diagram of electric circuit, then you have to write this diagram. The next concept is electric current. What do you mean by electric current? It is nothing but flow of charges. Then we represent electric current by the symbol capital letter I. So it is represented by Q by T. So the formula to calculate electric current is I equals Q by T. What does the Q represent? It represents the net charge and T represents the time. So the formula to calculate the electric current is I equals Q by T. Then what is the SI unit of electric charge? It is nothing but coulomb, represented by capital C. And 1 coulomb of charge is nearly equal to 6 into 10 power 18 electrons. So the electron always possesses a negative charge, and it is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and the electric current is expressed by a unit called ampere. So Ampere is a French scientist. His full name is André Marie Ampere. So his name is kept as a unit in the remembrance of this scientist. The ampere, the unit of electric current, is expressed in amperes. So the SI unit of electric current is ampere. And what is the unit of ampere? It is coulomb per second. So the SI units are very much important, especially while solving the numerical problem. So you have to remember the SI units. And the small quantities of currents are expressed in milliampere or microampere. So usually we represent current as ampere, that's all. These small quantities are represented in milliampere or microampere. Next concept is electric potential difference. So how do we define the potential difference or electric potential difference? So both are nothing but the same. Electric potential difference, or if we just say potential difference, it means the same. So what do you mean by potential difference? It is nothing but the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another in an electric circuit. So the work is represented by capital letter W, and the charge is represented by capital letter Q, and the potential difference is represented by capital letter V. So the potential difference between 2 points is nothing but work done to move unit charge from one point to another point. That is, we represent it as V equals W by Q, and the unit of potential difference is volt. So these are some of the concepts I have discussed in this video. In the next video, we shall discuss some more concepts. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can clear your doubts by asking questions in the comment section. Once again, thank you all. Have a good day.